Right, bought a new toy, Tacklife laser digital measurer. It's quite accurate, but it's about a millimetre out for me. I've got it set on the millimetres. It took me a little while to work this one out, so first thing, take a measurement. So to calibrate it, turn it off, press and hold the off key, press the read key, you get this symbol. You see I've marked it at 1, use this bottom key to take away, use the top plus minus to add on, and then press the read key to save it. The instructions on how to do this aren't that clear, so I hope this helps somebody out there.